Welcome, dear viewers, to a mesmerizing journey through the life and profound philosophy of one of history's greatest thinkers, Confucius. Born in 551 BCE in the tumultuous period of China's spring and autumn era, Confucius, also known as Confucius, would go on to become a guiding light in shaping Chinese culture and values. Raised in poverty after losing his father at a young age, Confucius displayed an insatiable thirst for learning. He was deeply influenced by the teachings of Laozi and Zhu Dunyi, which laid the foundation for his philosophical journey. Confucius' philosophy centered around creating a harmonious society through moral integrity, empathy, and respect for traditions. His ideas emphasized the importance of filial piety, benevolence, and the cultivation of personal virtues. He believed that individuals should strive for self-improvement, leading by example, and respecting hierarchical relationships for a just and peaceful society. Raised in modest circumstances, he exhibited an unquenchable thirst for learning, absorbing the teachings of ancient sages and contemplating the harmony between individuals and society. Confucius' philosophy is built upon the pillars of compassion, moral rectitude, and the cultivation of virtues. His teachings emphasized the significance of benevolence, sincerity, and the pursuit of the Junzi ideal, the exemplary person who exemplifies humility, compassion, and wisdom. The Analects, a collection of conversations and sayings attributed to Confucius, provide insights into his profound philosophy. These teachings laid the foundation for a harmonious society by promoting ethical governance, familial respect, and the significance of education as a means to nurture wisdom and virtue. Confucianism's impact extended far beyond philosophy. It became a cornerstone of governance, shaping China's bureaucracy and social structure. Temples dedicated to Confucius were established, and his teachings played an instrumental role in shaping education, morality, and cultural norms. While celebrated for fostering social cohesion, Confucianism has faced criticism for being conservative and stifling individual creativity. However, contemporary scholars argue that Confucian values can be reinterpreted and adapted to address modern challenges, promoting ethical leadership and societal harmony. Confucianism's impact extends beyond China's borders. Its principles of respect, virtue, and harmony resonate with diverse societies around the world. As we navigate an interconnected world, Confucius' teachings continue to inspire cross-cultural dialogue and ethical frameworks. In this few minutes exploration, we've embarked on a journey through time, encountering the life and philosophy of Confucius, a guiding light whose wisdom continues to illuminate the path towards a more just, compassionate, and harmonious world. May the teachings of Confucius remind us that the pursuit of virtue and the cultivation of a noble character are timeless aspirations that transcend generations. If you found this exploration into the life and philosophy of Confucius enlightening, consider sharing the video with others who appreciate the pursuit of wisdom. Subscribe to our channel for more profound insights into history, philosophy, and the human experience. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey.